Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, showing off one of our fabulous Rolex Lady Datejust. This is a 31mm, so it's more of a mid-size ladies watch, and it's just all around a great looking, great working watch. This has the two-tone Jubilee bracelets with the yellow gold in the center. It's got a silver dial with gold Roman numeral hour markers and a giant Roman numeral number 6 with diamonds on it. It's got the classic Rolex bubble, so it lets you know it's a Rolex watch right from the profile. But the star of the show on this watch, in my opinion, is the scattered diamond bezel. To me, the scattered diamond bezel, the diamonds on it look a lot like little bubbles under the water, and I think it just looks so playful and very elegant with the gold behind it. All around, this is such a fun and playful watch, but it's got that Rolex sophistication all rolled up into one. Check this one out and all of our other Rolexes at SwissWatchExpo.com.